Hi everyone, I'm making Japanese curry today. Ingredients are these. You need some onion, carrots, potatoes and some meat. And you need curry cubes like this one. The curry cubes are made of flour, butter, spices. On the back of the package, you can see the instruction. It is pretty easy to make. Just stir fry some vegetables and meat and pour water. Simmer it for a while and add the curry cubes. That's it. I'll show you the very basic way today. And also, you see this says no meat contained. So if you wish to make a vegetarian curry, just use the vegetables and the tofu or tempeh. Now I'm going to cut the vegetables into small pieces. Peel the onion and cut it to wedges. Curry is originally from India, right? You might wonder why curry is so popular in Japan. Japanese curry has interesting history. Actually, Japanese curry did not come directly from India. It came from England. Okay, I cut the onions into wedges. Now, I'm gonna chop the carrots. You don't need to peel the skin of carrots because it is home cooking. Skin has nutrition. Okay, and chop randomly like this. Then these potatoes are washed well. So again, I'm not gonna peel the skin. Cut randomly like this, like carrots. Let me continue the history of Japanese curry. Curry was introduced to Japan sometime during the Meiji era. Meiji era is between 1868 to 1912. At the time, the Indian subcontinent was under British colonial rule. After British importing curry from India, mixed spice called curry powder was invented so that anyone could cook curry without having to master the intricacy about spices. This form of curry was introduced to Japan, then Japanese adapted the dish to suit their tastes. Now let's season the meat. Sprinkle some salt and pepper. This is important to season meat before cooking. And if you have a curry powder, you can add 1 teaspoon for more flavor. Okay, now we are ready to cook. Now set a pot on the stove top and pour 1 to 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. 1 and 2. Then place the vegetables. Make a layer of vegetables. First, onion, then carrot, and then potatoes. Finally, on top of it, place the seasoned meat. On the back of the package says stir fry the vegetables, but you can omit it actually. If you make layers of vegetables like this, umami will be induced while cooking. So I prefer this way. It's pretty easy and it's good for beginners. Add 1 cup of water and turn the heat to medium-high. Then steam for 15 minutes. Remember to put a lid on. Steam until all the ingredients start sweating. Then pour in just enough water to cover. Put the lid on again and bring it to boil. Remove scum if necessary. Then finally, add the curry cubes. If you add the miso at this point, it becomes miso soup. If you add curry cubes like today, it becomes curry sauce. Did you get it? How Japanese adapted curry to suit their taste and their cuisine. Stir well to melt the cubes. You are almost done. Just simmer it until thickened. Curry is such a popular food in Japan, so if you search for it, you will find millions of recipes. I introduced you the easiest way today. If you like cooking, slice the onion very thin and cook the onions slowly to caramelize. If you like to spend time on better taste, grill or stir-fry the meat first. But you know this is a very basic recipe with minimal effort. Try the minimum, then add up some tips. I have uploaded other easy recipes for cooking beginners. The links are in the description. Please have a look. After simmering for 15 minutes over low to medium heat, you see that the sauce gets thicker. Now it is ready to serve. Here is the cooked rice and pour the sauce over it. I have also made a video how to cook rice in Japanese style. The link is in the description. Voila, your curry is here. いただきます。That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you have any requests, please let me know. I'll make more videos. Bye. See you soon.